Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Polygonal Lasso tool lets you draw straight-edged selections to make irregular polygonal selection shapes. To use the Polygonal Lasso tool, click the Lasso Tools button in the toolbox. In the Tool Options bar, be sure the Polygonal Lasso tool is selected. Also choose the type of selection to make in the Tool Options bar, just as you did with the marquee tools. Then click from point to point where you want to draw straight lines for your selection. Once again, you want to finish by clicking the initial starting point of the selection. A small circle appears next to the Lasso tool's mouse pointer icon when you are hovering over the selection's starting point in the image. Click at that point to finish the selection. Like the Lasso tool, if you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard when using the Polygonal Lasso tool, you can also draw a freehand line until you release the Alt key. So this is the inverse of the same behavior you see when using the Lasso tool.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.